How to enable Reel Remix on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Reel Remix on Instagram step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and activity section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as sharing and reuse. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are in this section, as you can see, there are all options under allow people to share your content and allow people to create with and reuse your content. So here you simply have to toggle on all this option, and once you do that, you'll be able to enable Reel Remix on Instagram. And that's it. That's how you can enable Reel Remix on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.